Ma'am, Indian Oil is sponsoring both able-bodied and Paralympics, Paris Olympics Games. What are your expectations and what are the uh, wishes that you want to give to the athlete? Some of our athletes are also going, have already gone, and some are on the way. And very soon, our para athletes will also depart from here.
First of all, it's a very proud moment for Indian Oil, for my chairman Vaidya sir, to be part of this Paralympic journey 2024, and we're so proud to partner and sponsor and help the athletes. All the other normal Olympics is about to start. We have a huge number of Indian Oil athletes: Chirag Shetty, Satvik, Sairaj, Lakshya Sen, and so many more eyeing for a medal at the Olympics. And I hope that the athletes do well. They've prepared a lot. The Indian government has done a lot, and I'm proud that Indian Oil also have done their bit, and I hope they do well.
Indian Oil has been as a flag bearer and have always supported the athletes. You're also supporting para athletes as well. How has been that experience? And today we saw that 50 days to go for the para athletes, and it is a proud moment.
Very proud. It was a dream come true for me as an athlete, as a former badminton player, to know that my company does so much for sports. In our time, this is what we needed, and now Indian Oil coming forward to sponsor Road to Paralympics. I hope this sponsorship helps the athletes to perform better, and we look forward to collaborating more. So the aim is nation first, and the aim is that the para athletes perform to their best of their ability, and I'm sure they will. They've prepared very hard, and we're very proud of them. I hope that it gets converted into medals.
If I may ask, put a small question: once they win, where will what benefit awaits them?
I think the world is at their feet. That I mean, they come back. India will celebrate everything they will get. Nowadays, so much is being done for them. I'm so happy that it has progressed since my time, my playing days. Athletes are looked after very well. They've got a lot of good sponsorships. Their states are also giving them good sponsorships. I think it's a good lucrative career now, and I think that is why we're seeing
And our
medals.
Prime Minister also is supporting.
It's tremendous, tremendous. I mean, right from their Khelo India scheme and right up to athletes are receiving the amount in their bank account. It was a dream come true. It was something that we dreamt of as athletes, and now we actually see it being realized with the PM's vision of Nation First. I think hopefully we'll see a lot of medals this year.
Thank you very, very much.
Thank you.